The Huffy Stone Mountain. Hardtail mountain bike is designed for riders of all ages and skill levels, making it a versatile option for boys, girls, men, and women. Available in 20, 24, and 26 sizes, this bike caters to a wide range of heights and preferences. The bike is equipped with either 6 or 21-speed Shimano twist shifters, ensuring smooth and precise gear changes, which is essential for tackling various terrains. The front or dual suspension options absorb shocks from rough trails, providing a comfortable ride even on bumpy surfaces. The comfort saddle is ergonomically designed to reduce fatigue during long rides, enhancing the overall riding experience for those seeking the best bicycles for men. The Huffy Stone Mountain stands out with its sturdy construction and reliable performance. The sleek colors add a touch of style, making it visually appealing as well. When choosing this bike, customers can be assured of a durable, high-quality product that meets their needs, whether they're looking for a bike for casual rides or more adventurous trails. To ensure customer satisfaction, it's recommended to select the appropriate size and suspension type based on the rider's height and intended use, as this will maximize comfort and performance. The 630 Around the Block Men's Beach Cruiser bike is an ideal choice for those seeking a relaxed and enjoyable ride. Designed with simplicity in mind, this single-speed cruiser features a classic step-through frame that makes mounting and dismounting effortless, perfect for casual rides around town or along the beach. The 26-inch wheels provide a smooth and stable ride, while the matte black finish adds a sleek and timeless look. Equipped with a rear rack, this bike offers convenient storage for carrying essentials, making it practical for daily commutes or leisurely outings. For those searching for the best bicycles for men, the 630 Around the Block stands out with its combination of comfort, style, and functionality. The upright riding position reduces strain on the back and shoulders, enhancing the overall comfort of the ride. To ensure customer satisfaction, it's important to note that this bike is best suited for flat terrains due to its single-speed design. Regular maintenance of the bike, such as keeping the tires properly inflated and the chain well lubricated, will help maintain its performance and longevity. Selecting the right size based on your height will further enhance the riding experience, making this cruiser a perfect companion for relaxed, carefree rides. The Schwinn Huron Beach Cruiser bike is a top-notch option for both men and women who appreciate a blend of style and comfort. Available in 1, 3, and 7-speed options, this bike caters to various riding preferences, whether you're cruising on flat roads or tackling slight inclines. The 26-inch wheels provide a stable and smooth ride, while the 17 or 18-inch step-over steel frame offers durability and easy access. The bike's vintage-inspired design, featuring classic cruiser handlebars and full front and rear fenders, not only adds to its aesthetic appeal, but also ensures protection from road debris and splashes. For those on the hunt for the best bicycles for men, the Schwinn Huron stands out with its combination of timeless design and practical features. The choice of speeds allows for versatility in different riding conditions, making it suitable for leisurely beach rides or more varied terrain. The upright riding position promoted by the cruiser handlebars ensures a relaxed and comfortable experience, reducing strain on the back and shoulders. To maximize satisfaction, customers should consider their typical riding environment when selecting the appropriate speed option. Regular maintenance, such as keeping the fenders free of dirt and ensuring the chain is well lubricated, will enhance the bike's performance and longevity, making the Schwinn Huron a reliable and stylish. The Pacific Mountain Sport Bike is a versatile and robust option designed to meet the needs of adult and youth riders, including both men and women. With 26-inch wheels, this bike offers flexibility in size, accommodating different heights and ensuring a comfortable ride for all. The 18-speed twist shifters allow for smooth and precise gear changes, making it easy to adapt to various terrains, whether you're riding on city streets or rugged trails. The bike's front suspension system absorbs shocks from rough surfaces, providing a smoother and more comfortable riding experience, while the linear pull brakes deliver reliable stopping power in all conditions. For those looking for the best bicycles for men, the Pacific Mountain Sport Bike stands out with its durable steel frame and practical features. The steel frame not only adds strength and longevity to the bike, but also provides a stable and secure feel, essential for both beginners and experienced riders. the bike's design is geared towards outdoor enthusiasts who value performance and reliability. To ensure customer satisfaction, it's important to select the right wheel size based on your height, as this will enhance comfort and control. Regular maintenance, such as checking the brake pads and ensuring the shifters are properly tuned, will keep the bike in top condition, providing a dependable and enjoyable ride every time. Whether you're commuting, exercising, or exploring new trails, the Pacific Mountain Sport Bike is a reliable companion that meets the demands of various cycling adventures. The Highland 29-inch men's mountain bike is a high-performance choice designed for serious riders who demand reliability and versatility on the trail. Featuring a 17 or 19-inch frame, this bike caters to different heights, ensuring a comfortable and tailored fit for adult men. The 29-inch wheels are perfect for rolling over obstacles with ease, providing a smoother ride on rough terrains. Equipped with a hydraulic disc brake system, the bike offers superior stopping power and control, even in wet or muddy conditions. The lockout suspension fork adds to the bike's versatility by allowing riders to switch between rigid and suspension modes, making it ideal for both smooth roads and bumpy trails. For those seeking the best bicycles for men, the Highland 29-inch mountain bike stands out with its advanced features and durable construction. The 16-speed drivetrain provides a wide range of gears, allowing riders to tackle steep climbs and fast descents with confidence. The bike's frame is designed for strength and stability, ensuring a robust ride that can handle the demands of mountain biking. To maximize customer satisfaction, it's important to choose the correct frame size based on your height and riding style, as this will enhance comfort and performance. Regular maintenance, such as checking the hydraulic brakes and keeping the suspension fork clean, will ensure the bike remains in top condition, providing a reliable and enjoyable riding experience on every adventure. Whether you're a seasoned trail rider or just getting into mountain biking, the Highland 29-inch mountain bike is a top contender for those looking for durability, performance, and style.